Today, the launch of BrisEngBio, we're at Science Creates Old Market. Now this is one of the innovation hubs in Bristol.
It's amazing where we are in the city, the space that we occupy, working with investors in the region, companies that are developing novel solutions to some of the global challenges.
Good afternoon, thanks for coming. Welcome to BrisEngBio. Isn't it cool? BrisEngBio is a new venture at the university funded by the research councils to take fundamental discoveries at the biology engineering interface into real life applications.
It brings together engineers, chemists, biologists, AI, data, all together for us to help unlock the power of biology.
And what we really want to do is bring together like-minded, fantastic scientists across the university to engender this idea of entrepreneurial spirit.
Modulate the potency of insulin in vivo.
I'm here to meet other researchers and scientists and to get new ideas. The synthetic biology, that is the future in my opinion.
Biology is the next industrial revolution, potentially to make materials that can do way more than what we can do at the moment.
What I'm fascinated by is looking at new structures inside cells, outside cells as well, when we make bioscaffolds.
My work is focused on protein design engineering, with the idea to use those design protein in a series of areas. For example, how to influence cell behavior.
I'm particularly interested in cell therapy for neuroinflammatory disease, neurodegenerative diseases.
This interaction with scientists from other fields. It's been the most exciting research that I've done.
So what we've worked really hard to do is to put together all of the pieces to make these projects as successful for you as possible.
Bristol has grown massively in the last couple of years in the health and life science sector. BrisEngBio is just going to help those proof of concept projects reach the milestone that they need to join the ecosystem.
Everything we do is around helping to support early stage researchers take that entrepreneurial leap to go from the lab to a commercial product.
I have a vaccine developer company that I very much appreciate what's going on in Bristol. I want to see my students going then down here and becoming part of the biotech.
To make protocells that are like macrophages and can do the things we want them to do.
There are 4 teams within BrisEngBio: design and engineering of novel cells, the development of novel therapeutics, the development of novel biomolecules, and finally the engineering of living materials.
People should apply because it allows you to think about how the research you're doing could have an impact in the real world. So how could you use this research to translate to something that might be used by others in the future?
What we would really like in terms of people coming in is to not be afraid to bring a different perspective on things.
One thing I'm really encouraged by is the amount of support available. So I would say take advantage of it, talk to people, develop your ideas, and just go for it.
If you're out there and you're interested in doing something different with biology, then this is the right place to be.